Hi, 7th graders. Okay, so I am out on Monday, or today, if that's when you're seeing this. In the morning, I'm actually out for something, to check something out that we may be trying out in AIS, and it could be really cool. In the afternoon, I'm out for a training for state testing. So, I expect good behavior. I expect everybody is doing what they're supposed to. Everyone has something to do. And work that they need to work on. Some brain exercises, if you will, for some. My expectation today is that the White House students, you guys are going to be doing something called the word play stations. When Black House and Gold House students are done with their essays, they will do the word play stations at the end of the week. So the word play stations is, if you go to Google Classroom, you'll see that everyone has a word play stations document. Everybody has their own, so you can type right into it. There are, I think, 5 separate folders that you should see right now on the front table. White House students only. You're going to follow the directions of how to play that game. You're going to use your document to type in your answers for the game. Fun games. They review basic reading skills, basic word skills. Some things that I'm noticing that students are tripping up a lot as far as like confusing homophones and things like that. Now, Black House and Gold House students, I have gone through and commented on everyone's essay. So you all have work to do. If you don't have a laptop today, my advice to you would be to pull up your essay on an iPad and then make changes on a piece of paper that you can transfer over later into your document when you have your laptop. Once that is done, I would like everybody to be logging on to vocab.com. I have 2 assignments there that you can be working on. You guys are starting a new novel called The Outsiders next week. Everybody is. So there's some vocabulary to front load for the first 2 chapters of the book if you want to get some of those practice. There's also the 100 words every middle schooler should know by the end of middle school. That is still on vocab.com. Highest achievement today on vocab.com will earn a prize on Wednesday. Additionally, those students from the White House that are doing the word play games today, if I check them after school today and they're in there, your answers are good, they're correct. Your name will also be added to a drawing for a drinkable Gatorade prize on Wednesday. So have a good day, do your best, be good, and I'll see everybody on Wednesday. Or tomorrow, actually. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye!